health alert for commuters in New Jersey, in Hudson County specifically. Thousands of people may have been exposed to measles. CBS 2's Valerie Castro reports on who needs to be concerned.
Thousands of commuters at the Journal Square Path train station in Jersey City and at least 9 other public places may have been exposed to measles earlier this month. The New Jersey Department of Public Health says a man who contracted the illness while traveling abroad visited those places between January 16th and the 24th, putting many at risk.
I've never had the measles, and I really don't want to catch it.
The infected man came through Journal Square on the 33rd Street train on January 17th. So did Catherine Thomas, but says she is vaccinated.
That's why you get vaccinated, so you don't be worried, because you rarely get it if you're vaccinated.
You're vaccinated?
Yeah. I think so. I'm pretty sure I am, yeah.
Measles is highly contagious, but if you've been properly vaccinated, you have nothing to worry about. You're immune to it.
Dr. Len Horovitz is a pulmonologist at Lenox Hill Hospital and says anyone not immunized could get sick if they traveled through the same places.
It can live in a public space where the person who just coughed and left respiratory droplets, which can infect someone who has no immunity, someone who's not been vaccinated.
Also on the list, this Journal Square Duane Reade. The potential exposure would have happened January 19th between 1 and 3:30 in the afternoon. The nearby Newport Mall, Newport Tower, and Newport Path train station are included too. Symptoms can take up to 21 days to show up after exposure and can mimic a cold, fever, cough, and a runny nose, but those can be accompanied by a rash. Anyone who thinks they may be infected should call a doctor before going to a doctor's office or emergency room to prevent spreading the illness. In Jersey City, Valerie Castro, CBS 2 News.
And on Long Island, Suffolk County health officials confirmed measles in an infant. The health department says the baby was diagnosed this week after recently arriving in the U.S. from overseas. The child was treated at hospitals in West Islip and Wyandanch.